Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to introduce you to Production Crate. Production Crate is a US-based company that specializes in supplying assets for the motion picture industry. So everything from sound effects to video effects, lightning bolts, stuff like that, music. They really excel in their music. They have a huge music library. And but before you leave, there's something I want to show you. I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone here. I'm going to show you a new piece of software I'm starting to train on. But let's go into Production Crate. So here's the site. All the different okay. There's so much to show here, but we don't have much time. So there's something new. Every Friday they update their site. And these are the new assets from the following week. Will be at the very top. So anything with a star requires a pro membership. Let's go to audio. Get sound effects. But let's go to music. Now don't forget, stick around. Well, I want to show you this other piece of software. I'm going to do something with this site with it. Just stick around. Okay, so music. All. Listen to this song. This song is wild. That's the music. Let's check out from free sound. Okay, so these without stars. Star Pro membership. Pro membership is $49 a year. No star, free. These are all free. No, these are down. These aren't here. But there's lots of free content on their site. All you need is a password, and an email address, and you're in. Now I want to show you something. Something here that's I'm going to be training on. This new image and video capture software. Press screen, print screen. We're going to take a screenshot of the entire page. Watch this. The entire page is one full graphic now. This is wild. Pretty cool. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons, and a special shout out to my best friend, Benjamin R. Price. You can be here too. Link below.